How to BUI $Brownie, CZ's Dog Token Crypto Coin. How to buy $Brownie, CZ's Dog Token Crypto Coin. If you're looking to buy $Brownie, CZ's Dog Token, a meme-based cryptocurrency inspired by Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao, CZ, and his love for dogs, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through the process of purchasing $Brownie securely and efficiently. As with any cryptocurrency, it's important to take the right steps to avoid scams and ensure that your transaction is safe. Step 1. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet. Before purchasing $Brownie, you'll need a wallet that supports tokens built on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, as $Brownie is typically an ERC-20 or BEP-20 token. Here are some recommended wallet options. MetaMask, a popular Ethereum-based wallet that also supports Binance Smart Chain when configured properly. Trust Wallet, a mobile wallet that's user-friendly and supports various blockchains, including BSC. Binance Chain Wallet. This is ideal for tokens built on the Binance Smart Chain, such as $Brownie. Once you have your wallet set up, make sure to back up your recovery phrase in a secure location. Step 2. Buy Binance Coin, BNB. Since $Brownie is most likely traded against BNB, Binance Coin, on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, you'll need to buy BNB first if you don't already own any. You can purchase Binance Coin, BNB, on major centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini. Once you've purchased BNB, transfer it to your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Binance Chain Wallet. Step 3. Connect your wallet to a decentralized exchange, DEX. With BNB in your wallet, the next step is to connect it to a decentralized exchange, DEX, where $Brownie is listed. The most common DEXs for Binance Smart Chain tokens are PancakeSwap, one of the most popular DEXs for tokens built on BSC. ApeSwap, another decentralized exchange that supports Binance Smart Chain tokens. Here's how to do it. Go to PancakeSwap or ApeSwap and click Connect Wallet. Select the wallet you're using, e.g., MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Binance Chain Wallet. Ensure your wallet is connected to the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, network. Step 4. Find $Brownie token. Once your wallet is connected to the DEX, you need to find the $Brownie token in the search bar. If you can't find it, you may need to manually input the contract address. Make sure you get the correct contract address for $Brownie from reliable sources, such as the official $Brownie website or trusted community channels, e.g., Telegram, Twitter, or Discord. Using an incorrect contract address may lead to purchasing the wrong token. Step 5. Purchase $Brownie. After you've found the correct $Brownie token, follow these steps to make the purchase. Select how much BNB you want to exchange for $Brownie. Make sure to check the transaction details, including the slippage tolerance, usually around 1 to 3% for new tokens, and the gas fees. Approve the transaction through your wallet. Confirm the purchase. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction, and you'll need to approve it before the transaction goes through. Once completed, the $Brownie tokens will appear in your wallet. Step 6. Store and track your $Brownie tokens. After the purchase, you'll see your $Brownie tokens in your wallet. You can track the price of $Brownie using platforms such as CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, DEX tools. It's essential to keep an eye on the market as meme-based coins like $Brownie can be highly volatile. Important tips and warnings. Double-check the token contract address. Ensure you're using the correct token address for $Brownie. Always verify it from trusted sources to avoid falling for scams. Be cautious of scams. There are many fraudulent tokens out there. Always do your research and stick to official channels to avoid falling victim to scams. Gas fees. When trading on the Binance Smart Chain, gas fees are generally lower than Ethereum-based networks, but it's still important to ensure you have enough BNB in your wallet to cover them. Slippage tolerance. For new tokens, you might need to adjust your slippage tolerance to allow for price fluctuations during the transaction. Security. Use two-factor authentication, 2FA, for any exchange accounts and keep your wallet private keys safe. Conclusion. Buying $Brownie, CZ's Dog token is a relatively straightforward process. Once you've set up your wallet, bought BNB, and connected to a decentralized exchange, you're ready to purchase the token. As always, Be cautious when dealing with new and meme-based cryptocurrencies. Make sure to verify all contract addresses and proceed with caution. Happy trading and enjoy your journey into the world of meme tokens and cryptocurrencies.